We're in the middle of a course, okay? Stephen's got what we call a 3-strike and you're out. Okay, there is no point fighting a blocked tip. There's no point fighting a messed up filter. There's no point fighting dirty paint, all right? We've had 3 blockages on the same area, all right? It's a 3-strike and you're out. So in this scenario, what we would do is straight away, we would go to the machine, okay? We would dump the pressure, so everything's at 0. We would take off the gun head, we would take out the filter, drop it in water, and we just get a new filter. We won't worry about cleaning the machine at this stage. We just drop a new filter and we carry on. If it carries on and blocking that filter, then what we would do is we would actually think about maybe straining the paint a little bit more. I know I said that the filters, but we still need to take out any impurities or the best we can to reduce it. We would flush it all with water. We would clean the manifold and obviously the gun filter, and then we start again.